Wet your beak, my friends. Wet your beak. I need a song. Wet your beak, gon' wet it. Wet your beak, gon' wet it. We got a wet beak, a wet beak, a wet beak. See y'all next time.
You're out.
Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Rates the Recipe, and today we're making a drink, a little something to wet your beak. So it's March, and in honor of St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up pretty soon here, we're gonna make a little Irish coffee. And I got this recipe from the Pioneer Woman. It was it's super easy. We about to do it right now. What you need: a cup of cold heavy cream. Bow. It goes in there. That's what happens. It goes in there. Boom. 3 tablespoons of Bailey's Irish cream. Isn't this the cutest little measuring cup? It's a shot glass, but it's what? A measuring spoon. It's like a measuring spoon, but it's a cup though. Boom. 3 tablespoons. And you're gonna whip this until it has stiff peaks. I'm using the whisk attachment. Bam. So we have our 4 mugs here. Over there at the coffee pot, you can't see it, don't worry about it. But I made coffee the way I like it. You make your coffee the way you like it, because that part is, you know, up to you. So we're gonna put a tablespoon of brown sugar into our cups, our mugs, right? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then we have, all together it's a half a cup of Irish whiskey. I use Jameson's, and you're gonna pour that right on in, just on top of your little brown sugar. Brown sugar, babe. That's what you're gonna pour it on. Want some of your brown sugar? Okay, and then you come in with your coffee. Okay. Now, you want your whipped cream concoction to take up about 1/3 of the cup of coffee. So we're going to just pour her in, pour it up, pour it up. So now we have our whipped cream that we made with our heavy cream and our Bailey's. So I got this little mug because it's clear, so you'll be able to see it, because obviously you can't see it in the actual coffee cups. That looks yummy. So, boo, boo, boo. And you say, why is she bothering making all 4 cups? Well, because even though you just see me, there's other people here. All right, let's taste it though. While I'm talking. Cheers. Y'all, 5 out of 5. Let me find out I like whiskey. This is yummy. It's not really, I mean, to me, it replaces creamer, right? Yum. You see how quick it was? 2 minutes? This could be a YouTube short. That's probably what it's gonna be. Oh, warm you up on the inside. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I saw earlier today, somebody made a gluttonous treat. Waffles that are cloaked in a pancake and then turned into French toast. We're gonna make it. I already made the waffles, Hungry Jack Boom, according to the instructions. My pan is getting hot over here. This is pancake batter, and this is waffle, not waffle, I told a lie. What is this? French toast. So basically, you put milk, I got an egg, I got some nutmeg, I got some vanilla. So if you need like a recipe, I suppose, because French toast, I've been making this since I was a little girl. I don't really know the amount, right? So let's go. Cup of milk, 1 egg, a tablespoon of, a teaspoon and a half of nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That's your French toast batter. So my pan is hot. I'm gonna spray it with my favorite. Y'all know I'll be using Pam. Come on, Pam, sponsor the kid. So what I'm gonna do, I have our little waffles already, right? I'm going to take my pancake batter, and I don't want it to be too much, right? So I'm gonna take my pancake batter, I'm gonna just spoon it in to make sure it's kind of the same size as my waffle. Right? So I feel like that's about the size. Yeah, that's about the size. Maybe a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. Let that kind of set up a taste, set up a taste. Then you're gonna take your waffle and I feel like let it set a little bit more. Yeah, let it set a little bit more. Till like just about done, right? And I need to get a plate for y'all. Cool. So now I got my waffle. I'm gonna sit it right on top there. Whew, gluttony. You hear me? That's what this is. Gluttony. But it's gonna taste good though. So I'm gonna take that. Whew, it's gonna be hot on my little fingers, y'all. And put it in the little French toast mix. Boop, boop, boop. Hurry up, lift her out. Don't get too. Right? French toasty. Oh my goodness, here we go. Boom. Back into the pan. I didn't get a, what you call it? Can I have a napkin? Something. Then we're gonna flip her. Okay. She looked the same, but alright, whatever. I wonder how this is gonna taste. And what's the point, I really feel, right, of the pancake? Now that I'm making this, y'all, because the pancake's really on the butt, right? The top of it is not pancakes, right? He only poured it on the bottom. My first thought was put some on both sides, but you don't do that, so that's dumb. But whatever, that's how it goes, right? It's just about ready, yeah. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. And then boom, she going on the plate. Hold tight, we're gonna keep doing it, make a few more. Okay guys, so I made them. They don't look like nothing special to me, so I mean whatever, I'm not really anticipating greatness, just gluttony, right? This is my favorite syrup, the Angel Mama. I heard they renamed it to something strange, but I still got Angel Mama. Butter light, that's what I like, not butter rich. And I like a lot of syrup, so don't worry about that. Tabitha Brown said that's my business. So here you go. Bow, bow, bow. Let's see. It's a lot of bread. Okay? 3, whatever. This is unnecessary. I did it because I have, you know, 3. Not even, right? I love the syrup. That's what it is. This is my favorite syrup. It's not necessary. It's just too much bread. So I lied. Not 3, like a 2. I don't know why they did this. This is too much. This is too much. Come on, friends. Too much. It's a such thing. Excess. But you know what ain't too much? Irish coffee. That's just enough. 5. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends. And wet your beak, my friends. Wet your beak. I need a song. Wet your beak, gon' wet it. Wet your beak, gon' wet it. We got a wet beak, a wet beak, a wet beak. See y'all next time.
You're out.
Guess who? I wasn't ready.
So I just stay with it.